Welcome to another Tellepsen job site. I'm Tad Tellepsen, CEO of the Tellepsen family of companies. Tellepsen has been delivering safe, quality construction for well over 100 years, and that's because of you. We have the best trade contractors in the industry. Your safety is of the utmost importance to us. Our promise to you is that everybody goes home safely at the end of every day to their families. Now that we got the introduction out of the way, let's talk about how you prevent an accident. You prevent an accident right here. This is how you prevent an accident. Where the rubber meets the road, you're already trained and skilled. When you come to this job set, you got to put your head in the game. You've got to be engaged. It's about attitude. That's how we prevent an accident. So please, watch this video intently and help Tellepsen remain the safest in the nation.
Doing what's right. What do we mean by doing what's right? This is what drives the actions of every worker at every Tellepsen project, every day. Develop a caring preventive safety culture across our organization. Looking out for yourself and each other, and not being afraid to speak up when you see something that is or could be unsafe. We challenge you to put safety first in everything you do. We require safe and responsible workers at all levels. And when in doubt, stop and review. Tellepsen cares whether you're a longtime employee or our newest contractor. You're a member of the Tellepsen family. We care for each other. We support each other. We protect each other, starting on day one. We're all responsible for safety, and being a safety leader is in everyone's job description. Don't bend the rules. Do what is right. We require effective team workers to work towards the same goal to achieve success to prevent injuries. We don't cut corners. Working safe takes time, effort, and commitment. You probably all have done it at some point. You may have gotten away with it, at least that time. It's human nature to do so, but breaking the rules will eventually cost you, in more ways than one. Stay focused and follow the rules. An example could be climbing an extension ladder while carrying something with you, rather than hoisting it. Or it could be not cleaning up and having a messy work area, causing tripping hazards. Or not tying off when you know you should. Or just plain rushing to get the job done. Lead by example and do the right thing. We all know these things, but it's natural to want to save time, and that's when an accident could happen. That's why Tellepsen believes in planning your day and doing it right. Every job, every day, every person, take your time and plan. We all know the safety rules on a construction project and the OSHA requirements. They are there to protect you. Doing what's right. When in doubt, stop and review. Be safe and responsible. Stay focused. And finally, lead by example. Engagement. Speak up and listen. If you notice unsafe behavior, correct it. If a coworker needs a hand, lend one. Tellepsen gives you the authority to stop work. If you see something, say something. We are safer by speaking up, listening to each other, and always doing the right thing. We want you to feel comfortable reporting any and all safety and health concerns. Participate and engage during safety toolbox talks, job hazard analysis meetings, inspections of your work area and equipment. By you being engaged in hazard observation, the chances increase that hazards are identified, mitigated, or controlled toward the ultimate goal of zero incidents. When someone is giving a toolbox talk meeting, stay focused, listen, and participate in the meeting. Be on time and respect what the presenter is saying. We know your mind may wander, but when you're on the project, stay focused. Your family depends on it. Engagement. Participate. Stop work authority. Involvement. Focus. Involvement. We want you to be involved in our safety culture by bringing a proper attitude, safe habits, and dedication to the project. Maintaining a positive attitude will help reinforce the importance of our safety procedures and policies. Your dedication is your commitment to safety, expressed by your actions, by not performing a task in an unsafe manner, and using all the necessary personal protective equipment. During safety training, it is your responsibility to follow all of Tellepsen's and your company's safety and health rules and regulations. Proper training is part of the job, but it is your responsibility to pay attention. If you don't understand, ask questions. As an employee, you have a duty of care for the safety and health at the workplace. Report any hazards, injuries, or illness to your supervisor, and cooperate during incident investigation. While your supervisor is conducting the daily job hazard analysis training, you are asked to participate. If you know a better way to perform a task, speak up. Share your thoughts and your dedication to the task. No one knows your job and tools better than you do. By getting involved and speaking up, you'll gain confidence, leadership skills, and a sense of ownership that will help you identify job hazards and take the appropriate precautions to protect yourself and others. Following the job hazard analysis is your responsibility. Be involved and follow the plan. If your task is not covered, get with your supervisor to revise the safety plan or create a new one. When in doubt, stop and review. Develop safe habits and take the proper precautions when using tools. And never take shortcuts. Taking shortcuts is one of the leading causes of workplace injuries. Using tools the right way greatly reduces the chance of workplace injury. Involvement, proper attitude, dedication, training, knowledge, safe habits. Motivation. What motivates you? Money, family, time to do things you like to do, success? In order to achieve money, family, and success, be motivated to speak up, report safety concerns, and make suggestions to correct them. Follow the safety rules. The more you know about your job and the risks involved, the less likely you are to take unsafe shortcuts. Be part of the team and have open communication during safety meetings and training. Keeping everyone in the loop regarding expectations, deadlines, and safety plans is all about being a team player. Having a clean work area and perform your work at the highest level, and bring a good attitude to work. At Tellepsen, we also believe in effective discipline, and we support employees by issuing a safety violation, depending on the level of severity, as a teachable moment. However, if you are not willing to follow the safety rules and conduct yourself as a professional, then maybe you should reconsider working at a Tellepsen project. Tellepsen desires to motivate all workers for an injury and accident-free job site. We believe in you. Motivation, sense of empowerment, team player, follow the safety rules, family, money, caring and respect. At Tellepsen, we care for each other. When someone is hurt or hurting, we go out of our way to support and assist them. We are vigilant about safety because we care for everyone with whom we work. We expect everyone to have the same core value. By caring for your fellow worker, simply put, be your brother's keeper by mentoring a new worker on safety. Treat people with courtesy, politeness, and kindness. Lead by example. Follow safety policy and procedures by using the proper personal protective equipment, such as fall protection, safety glasses, work boots, and gloves as required. Conduct daily inspections of any motorized equipment and tools. Safety in action. See it, own it, share it, be aware of your surroundings. Whether on the job site, in the office, at home, or in the car, everyone should look out for unsafe conditions. Being on time to work, to a safety meeting, and job hazard analysis meeting. Perform quality work, no shortcuts. It's everyone's responsibility within Tellepsen to take the time to do the job right and be safe. Unsafe behavior is not tolerated and could result in accidents. This influences your team, your reputation, and your family. We have no tolerance for bullying, violence, and/or horseplay. Caring and respect. Listen and respect others. Be on time. Follow job hazard analysis. Perform quality work. Compliance safety rules. Follow all safety rules and regulations. Wear your seatbelt. Obey speed limits and safety signs. Do not use any mobile device while driving and working. Protect yourself against a fall when working at heights. Follow safe lifting operations and do not work under a suspended load. Verify isolation before work begins. Use proper personal protective equipment and tools. Use the right tool. Obtain authorization before starting ground disturbance or excavation activities. The project team is always open to discuss your concerns, so remember, you can talk with us at any time. We want you to be part of the team for a long time. Pay attention to the rules. They are there to protect you and others. Tellepsen performs. Every building Tellepsen builds and every worker or subcontractor Tellepsen employs are part of the dynamic team. Tellepsen believes in you and your work. If we all work together, we will continue to be the best construction company. We build. We accomplish. We care.
Now that you've heard our expectations, we hope that this motivates you to do the right thing. Remember, we are stronger and safer together.